PhD student at MIT and also the founder of Pipeguard Robotics. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about water leaks. So every day, on average, 20% of all our produced clean water are lost in the world. And most of those leaks are either not found or found too late. When they were found, a lot of those leaks have already created a sinkhole in the ground, and which creates structural damage to the infrastructure. Those sinkholes will cost, on average, cause a property damage about $200,000 in the US. So we want to change that. It's actually really easy to use. A technician just need to go to the field, put it in from one fire hydrant or any kind of T-junction, go and wait at the next fire hydrant, take it out. The robot will record its journey through the pipeline and also where it sees leaks, and as well as information about leaks. And once you take the robot out, our cloud service will be able to create a map of leaks, telling you exactly where leaks are and how big those leaks are. So how is Pipeguard different from the other solutions? That we use a lot of numbers, but let me just give you a physical sense of what those numbers mean. Typically, when there's a leak on the ground, existing technology will use acoustic method to find those leaks, and their performance is heavily dependent on the environment. And when those technology find leaks, they're able to tell you a leak within this probably like 100 feet range, about 3 times the size of this room. And with Pipeguard, we can tell you exactly the location of a leak at down to 1 feet accuracy. More than that, current technology, when they find leaks, they usually tell leaks that's already really big. They tell leaks that's losing about 10 gallons of water per minute. And that is twice as fast as you can shower. And that's not great. That's not good at all, right? So with Robot Daisy, we can tell leaks that's only losing at about 1 gallon of water per minute, and you can tell it reliably, independent of environment. So with this technology, we can tell leaks when they are small in their early stage, way long months before they actually grow into a bigger leak that creates infrastructure damage or losing tons of water. So yeah, that's the picture. So right now, we already we are still part of MIT right now, and we just registered a company last month, and we already get 3 pilot committed, financially supported pilots in the already. One of them is in Virginia, one in China, and one in Mexico. And through Solve, this is a channel for us to reach more policymakers and water companies to help us scale up our solution, as well as find leaks, save water, and protect infrastructure. Thank you.